Let's be honest. For years, we've been told that after a certain birthday, sneakers and jeans belong in the garden or at the gym. We've been told that comfortable is just a polite word for giving up. Well, I'm here to tell you that's a lie. In fact, at 60 and beyond, this combo isn't just a choice. It's your secret weapon. But there is a very fine line between looking cool and effortless, and looking like you've reached for the first thing in the laundry basket. Today I'm breaking down the 5 genius styling hacks that will transform your favorite denim and trainers into a high fashion statement. We're talking about structure, silhouette, and the one ankle rule that changes everything. If you're ready to stop dressing your age and start dressing your vibe, let's get into it. Hack number 1. Structure over sag, the architecture of style. Alright, let's talk about the biggest trap we fall into at 60 plus. The double soft look. You know the one. Stretchy, relaxed jeans paired with a loose oversized tunic or a floppy cardigan. While it's incredibly comfortable, it lacks definition. When everything is soft and sagging, your silhouette gets lost. And that's when we start to look tired rather than trendy. The golden rule for wearing sneakers and jeans, and looking like $1,000,000. Structure over sag. If your bottom half is casual, which denim and sneakers always are, your top half has to do the heavy lifting. Think of it as the architecture of style. Look at the difference a structured piece makes. By adding a tailored blazer or a structured trench, you've created a frame for your body. The sharp lines of the shoulder and the lapel act as a lift for the entire look. It tells the world, I didn't just throw this on. I curated this. And it's not just blazers. A stiff denim jacket in a darker wash or a crisp white button-down with a popped collar works wonders. The key is that the fabric should have enough weight to hold its own shape, even if you aren't moving. Now, if you're worried about feeling too stiff, here is the pro move. The French tuck. If you're wearing a button-down or a high-quality knit, tuck just the very front into your jeans and let the rest hang loose. This defines your waistline, which is the narrowest point for many of us, without the restriction of a full tuck. It bridges the gap between the structure of your top and the casual vibe of your sneakers. It's that cool girl energy we're after. Remember, sneakers and jeans are the base of your outfit, but the structure is the statement. Keep the line sharp up top, and you'll never look sloppy. Hack number 2, the ankle gap, your secret to looking taller and polished. Now let's talk about a detail that most women overlook, but it's actually the secret to looking polished and modern in denim. I call it the ankle gap. When we wear sneakers and jeans, the most common mistake is letting the denim puddle or scrunch around the top of the shoe. That extra fabric creates a visual weight at your feet that can actually make you look shorter and, let's be honest, a little bit frumpy. By showing just a sliver of the ankle, you create a break in the silhouette. It draws the eye to the narrowest part of your leg, which instantly lightens the whole look. So, what is the Goldilocks length? You're looking for that sweet spot where the hem of your jeans sits about an inch or two above your ankle bone. If you're wearing a straight leg or a slim boyfriend jean, this gap is your best friend. It gives the outfit breathing room. It says, I'm wearing these clothes. They aren't wearing me. And if you're worried about being cold in the winter, don't reach for the floor-length jeans. Instead, wear a slim skin tone sock or even a fun textured trouser sock. The goal is to keep the line of the leg clean, not cluttered. Now I know what you're thinking, but my jeans are all too long. You don't need to run to the tailor just yet. Try a double cuff. Fold the hem up about an inch, and then fold it once more. This adds a bit of texture and a rugged chic vibe that looks fantastic with a leather sneaker. Or if you're feeling a bit more daring, try a raw hem. Take a pair of scissors to those old jeans and give them a clean, straight cut at the ankle. That slightly frayed edge looks incredibly high-end when paired with a pristine, expensive-looking sneaker. It's all about that high-low contrast. The ankle gap is a small tweak with a massive payoff. It's the difference between looking like you're wearing hand-me-downs and looking like you've stepped off a street-style blog. If you're finding these hacks helpful, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss the remaining 3 styling secrets that will completely transform how you wear denim and sneakers. Hack number 3. The column of color. Look taller without heels. Have you ever noticed how some women just look expensive even in a pair of sneakers? Most of the time, it's not because of a designer label. It's because of a color strategy called the column of color. As we age, We often gravitate toward breaking up our body with different colors and patterns, thinking it hides our shape. But actually, those horizontal lines cut us in half and can make us look shorter and wider. By wearing a single continuous tone from shoulder to ankle, we create one long vertical line. It's the ultimate shortcut to looking lighter and taller, all while staying completely comfortable. Now, you don't have to wear a neon jumpsuit to make this work. The most elegant way to do this at 60 plus is with neutrals. Try pairing your dark indigo jeans with a navy cashmere sweater or a navy silk blouse. Or for a truly Hamptons chic vibe, go for winter white jeans with a cream turtleneck. The magic happens when the eye travels from your neck all the way down to your hem without a single color break. It's a minimalist, powerful look that screams confidence. And the best part, your sneakers become the stars of the show. When you have that solid column of color, your footwear choices become much more intentional. If you're in an all-dark column, a bright white leather sneaker adds a crisp athletic energy that looks incredibly modern. If you're in an all-light column, try a metallic sneaker like silver or champagne to add a touch of glamour without the discomfort of a heel. You aren't just wearing sneakers anymore. You're using them as a design element to anchor your look. The column of color is proof that you don't need a complicated wardrobe to look amazing. Match your top to your denim, and let the sneakers do the talking. Hack number 4. The sneaker audit. Upgrade your footwear game. Now, we need to have a little heart-to-heart about what's actually on your feet. There is a massive difference between a sneaker designed for a 5K run and a sneaker designed for a lunch date. The quickest way to age your jeans and sneakers look is to wear your actual gym shoes, the ones with the neon mesh, the heavy shock absorbers, and maybe a little bit of garden dirt on the soles. Those are tools for exercise, but for a chic everyday look, we want lifestyle sneakers. At 60 plus, your shoe should look like an intentional fashion choice, not like you forgot to change after your pickleball match. To look amazing, you want to look for 3 specific styles that never fail. First, the classic white leather. Think of these as the white button-down of shoes. They are crisp, they are clean, and they go with every wash of denim. Second, the suede slip-on. These offer a softer, more luxurious texture that pairs beautifully with a knit sweater. They feel more like a loafer, but with the comfort of a cloud. And third, the subtle platform. A 1-inch platform gives you that little bit of height we all love, but keeps your foot perfectly flat and stable. It's the modern woman's alternative to a heel. Here is the genius part of this hack. The condition. A 20-year-old can get away with scuffed, beat-up trainers. It's called grunge. But at our age, scuffed shoes just look like neglect. Keep a pack of sneaker wipes by your front door. If your white soles aren't white, your whole outfit loses its polish. A pristine, gleaming sneaker tells the world you're a woman who pays attention to detail. It's that crispness that makes the jeans look like high fashion. Audit your shoe rack today. If it has neon laces or mesh windows, save it for the treadmill. If it's leather, suede, or metallic, that's your ticket to looking amazing. If these styling secrets are resonating with you, subscribe and join thousands of women who are rediscovering style and confidence after 60. Hack number 5. The 3rd-piece rule. From dressed to styled. We've reached the final, most important step. You've got your structured top, your perfect ankle gap, your monochrome base, and your pristine sneakers. You look great. But how do you look amazing? It's called the 3rd-piece rule. Most women dress in 2 pieces, a top and a bottom. That's functional. But a look requires a 3rd element to act as the glue. This is the piece that signals to everyone that you didn't just get dressed, you styled an outfit. At 60 plus, this is your opportunity to inject your personality, your history, and your flair into an otherwise casual silhouette. So, what qualifies as a 3rd piece? It's simpler than you think. It could be a vibrant silk scarf knotted loosely around your neck, or draped over a structured tote bag. It could be a high-quality leather belt with a classic gold buckle that breaks up the denim just enough. Or my personal favorite, the statement accessory. A pair of oversized architectural glasses, or a bold chunky necklace. These items pull the casual nature of the sneakers upward toward your face. They create a focal point that says, I am sophisticated. I am vibrant. And I am here. If jewelry isn't your thing, your 3rd piece can be functional, too. A utility vest in a luxe fabric. a tailored coat draped over your shoulders, not even worn through the sleeves, or a motorcycle jacket in a soft pebbled leather. The goal of the third piece is to add a different texture or a pop of interest. It's the difference between looking like you're running an errand and looking like you're meeting a friend for a gallery opening. It's that final layer of confidence. So let's recap the 5 genius hacks. We're choosing structure over sag, mastering that ankle gap, lengthening our silhouette with a column of color, keeping our sneakers pristine and purposeful, and finishing it all off with that essential third piece. When you follow these 5 hacks, you aren't just wearing jeans and sneakers. You are showing the world that style doesn't have an expiration date. It only gets more refined, more confident, and more you with every passing year. The most important thing to remember: the best accessory you can wear at 60, 70, or 80 is the belief that you deserve to look and feel amazing every single day, even on your most casual Tuesday. Don't save your good clothes for a special occasion. You are the special occasion. If you found these hacks helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of ageless style. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 5 hacks are you going to try tomorrow morning? Thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.